Hi there, I'm Dr. Helen Chen, a specialist in maternal mental health. Today, I want to discuss something very important: postnatal depression. This is something we don't talk about enough. In Singapore, about 1 in 10 mothers who recently delivered may have postnatal depression. Postnatal depression can also affect your spouse, so it's important to support and care for each other. Take a moment to reflect on how you have felt after your baby was born. You may have experienced a mix of complex and intense emotion. It's completely normal to feel a wide range of emotions. You might feel happy, sad, anxious, frustrated, angry, agitated, tired, or even a mix of these feelings. Parenthood is a significant transition, and every emotion you feel is valid and important. These emotions can change from day to day, and that's completely normal. However, if feelings of sadness, anxiety, or frustration start to overwhelm you and don't go away, it could be a sign of postnatal depression. You might wonder how you or those around you can recognize the signs of postnatal depression. Some common symptoms include feeling very down, crying, or getting irritated easily, losing interest or joy in activities, finding it hard to connect and bond with your baby, withdrawing from family or friends, changes in appetite such as losing your appetite or overeating for comfort, and experiencing insomnia or sleeping too much. These symptoms can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to go through this alone. It's important to talk to someone you trust or speak to a counselor or doctor. Reaching out for help early can improve your well-being. Remember, seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a sign of strength. Your mental well-being is important, both for caring well for your child and for coping with the transition to motherhood. Try out the Edinburgh Postnatal Depression Scale Screening, a short self-assessment tool that can help you assess if you might be experiencing postnatal depression. This online tool is recommended for new mothers who have given birth within the past 12 months. Now that we've discussed how to recognize the symptoms of postnatal depression, I'd like to share some tips for self-care as a new mother. Try to put aside your worries about pregnancy weight gain. There will be time for you to slowly regain your body. Also, put aside your worries about work for now, as your maternity leave is a time for you to recover and bond with your baby. As much as you can, try to get help for the care of older children and share the load with your spouse. Follow our OK tips to make a difference in your well-being. Always observe your emotions. When you're feeling overwhelmed or drained, take a moment to pause and reflect on your feelings. This can help you identify what you're experiencing and address any issues more effectively. K is for keep a healthy lifestyle. Your physical and mental health are closely connected. While routines can be challenging with a newborn, try to find small ways to support your own well-being. Taking short walks, finding moments for rest, and eating nutritious food can make a difference. Remember, taking small steps each day can gradually enhance your overall well-being. A is for adopt coping skills. When things feel overwhelming, practicing coping skills can be very helpful. Take a bit of me time to clear your mind. Often, during the postnatal period, relationships with family can be strained because of expectations or different approaches in caregiving. It can help when we try to accept that there can be different perspectives and also express our needs calmly. To help calm your mind and reduce stress, you can also try deep breathing exercises. Please join me now for a very simple exercise that you can do to relieve your tension whenever you feel tense or stressed. It's a really simple exercise. You put your hand over your heart and you take 3 deep and slow calming breaths. There's no need to count, just keep it deep and slow. And you may wish to close your eyes so that you can focus better. There. Do you feel calmer? This exercise can help calm your mind and body, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Remember, it's important to take time for yourself and practice self-care regularly. Y is for you can reach out. Asking for help is a sign of courage. It shows your strength and commitment to taking care of yourself. Building a support network of people you trust, be it friends, family, or colleagues, can make a big difference. Sharing your feelings with others can ease your worries and provide new perspectives. There are also many mental health resources and services available to help you. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your baby. I encourage you not to hesitate to reach out for support whenever you need it. Lastly, and most importantly, spouses and other family members play a crucial role in recognizing the signs of postnatal depression and providing both emotional and practical support. Your involvement can make a significant difference, as it's a team effort where everyone benefits when the mother is well supported, and it ensures the well-being of your baby. Remember, each step you take towards self-care is a positive step forward for you and your little one. When you are in the best state of health in mind and body, you give your baby the strongest foundation for him or her to develop well. Embrace this journey with confidence, knowing you have the support you need. For more parenting tips, check out Parent Hub. You've got this.